This is the Rumor Report with Angela Yee on The Breakfast Club.
So listen up.
Well, you know, everybody always talks about what a diva Mariah Carey is. Just recently, Will Ferrell revealed that she was supposed to be in his movie The House, but they had to cut her out of the movie. They said at about midnight, I got a knock on my trailer, and they said, you can just go home because she just wasn't there on time. But anyway, now this masseuse. Now, this is interesting. This masseuse is a top masseuse. By the way, I searched her, and she's actually including Kanye West, David Bowie, Rihanna, Gwen Stefani, Eminem has been a client. She bites people on their back during massages.
I've been hearing about that, the massages with the biting.
What? She's the expert in that. Her name is Dr. Dot Stein. And she did an interview and she said of Mariah Carey, it's a huge production to massage her. She doesn't want anyone touching her bed sheets. She refuses to lie on a massage table. She said, God forbid my saliva would have touched her. She would have erupted. So I didn't bite Mariah. So she just...
Bite?
That's her thing. She bites people.
That's sanitary? Somebody bite you?
She bites your back and your butt as you lie on.
Your hands ain't strong enough. Then, if you gotta bite me with your jaws, your hands ain't strong enough. You need to find a new line of work. Okay?
Bite? That's disgusting.
Your hands is perfectly fine. I don't need you to bite me.
Yeah, but I promise you, she's getting paid a lot of money.
But we all know Mariah Carey's a diva. Mariah Carey, she's been to the Breakfast Club like twice.
I don't know that I would want somebody to bite me either.
Yeah,
I don't want nobody to bite me. Remember Mariah Carey came here? Mariah Carey dimmed all the lights, and she had her own lighting director, and she set up her own lights, and she told us, I said to her, well, nobody's going to be able to see us. And she goes, well, that's the point, darling.
Yes, darling.
You know what she said in this previous interview that I read from her? She said, the reason she started doing this, she said, I wanted to get into shows for free and meet the people who wrote the lyrics that were so close to my heart. It was a choice of either oral sex or money or massage, so I chose massage.
What happened now?
She was trying to get backstage to meet some of her favorite celebrities, like the rock band Def Leppard and people like that.
I'm gonna be honest with you, man. If you're gonna bite
that's her if you have Revolt TV.
If you're gonna bite random people that you give massages to, you might as well give some fellatio. Damn it. Okay.
No, it's a big difference.
Yeah, you're not gonna bite me on my ass
between that. But I'm
That's
looking.
not a big difference. You gonna bite random people backs.
I'm looking at the
and
picture of her
arms.
biting somebody's back. It looks crazy.
But you don't want to give fellatio. Please.
I like when people put their elbow, like when they massage you with their elbow.
What happens if you got a pimple on your butt and she bites it or something?
That's exactly why she might as well give fellatio. That's exactly why. Because it's damn near the same thing coming out that pimple coming out the penis.
All right, now. I don't think
same
so.
texture.
I hope not.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, now let's talk about who is quitting touring, potentially. Adele. She wrote a letter. Touring is a peculiar thing. It doesn't suit me particularly well. I'm a real homebody, and I get so much joy in the small things. Plus, I'm dramatic, and I have a terrible history of touring. She said, I wanted my final shows to be in London because I don't know if I'll ever tour again, and so I want my last time to be at home. She said to everybody, thank you for coming, for all of your ridiculous love and kindness. I will remember all of this for the rest of my life. Love you. Good night for now. Adele.
I wouldn't pay for an Adele show anyway.
Why?
I mean, she's very talented and she can sing, but I like performances. You know what I'm saying? I like
dancing.
Absolutely. I don't want to see somebody shaped like a Twitter egg standing in the middle of the stage and just singing.
She can't move around.
You know
like
what I'm saying?
She said she gets really nervous with live performances. She said she's too frightened to try anything new. It's getting worse. It's not getting better. And she said she feels like it should have gotten better by now. So,
especially for the cost of an Adele ticket, I'm sure.
But she sings a lot of ballads too, so
I'm cool on
you're not going to really dance around.
No, pass.
Our boss Thea, I saw her. She loves Adele. She goes to those Adele concerts. She does not play.
I ain't got time for that.
All right, well, I'm Angela Yee, and that's your Rumor Report.
Adele concerts for people who like to sit down at shows. That's what that's for.
No, you stand up and
you want
to
sit down the whole show.
You sing along. You want to cry.
Yeah, I'm cool on all that. I ain't paying nobody to make me cry.
The Breakfast Club. Every weekday morning. Tune in